There are canaries, feeding him some eggs. She just laid 5 eggs. Looks like the male is guarding the eggs right now, and the female is eating. It's been a week now, so hopefully these are all fertile. There you go, 5 little eggs. Hopefully in the near future we are going to have little canary chicks. Please like and subscribe for more videos. More videos will be coming soon. We will document the whole journey from laying eggs all the way to baby chicks and more. See you guys soon.